Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the Waylong WRM V10. This is the 20 magnet ball. I have no idea how to get this. Yes. Okay, I opened. Now let's see. Here, this is the V10. The toning is really good. Now let's see the accessories. Here, parts. Here, a tool. So let's see the tensioning. That's really, oh here. I have no idea how to tension this. You like push on it? I think maybe this. Oh, okay, so here you go, right. I can't fit it. Oh. Oh, there's another tool. Oh. Okay, so I'm trying to tension it. Uh-oh. Yeah. Okay, so here. There's 8. There is 8. Okay, so I'm gonna put it at the loosest. This is really good. Let's see the inside. Magnets. Here, magnets. And the core magnet here. And the ball core. This is a really good cube. How do you use this one? Oh wait, what? What? There's no tensioning. Okay, let's see. Instruction manual. Inner spots. Oh dear. What do you use this for? There's nothing to tension. Let me just see. Yeah, it's the same. Let me open this more. That's it. Oh, there is a screw here. What screw? I don't see any screw. Let me see. And this one, it has UV coating. Which is really good. So I really think you should get the Waylong V10. And yeah. I will see you in the next video.